Hi, I'm Ryoko. Today I'll make tamago kake gohan. Washing rice. Wash it softly and dump the water. We repeat 3 times. Leave the rice at least 30 minutes to let the rice soak up the water. Clay pots are great for cooking delicious rice. Put the rice. Put the water. Put a lid on the pot and cook it on medium heat until it is boiled. When it boiled, turn into the low heat and leave it for about 10 minutes. Turn off the heat and let it steam for about 10 minutes. Open the lid. Mix gently and it's done. Raw eggs can be eaten in Japan. This egg is very fresh. White soy sauce. Iただきます。I like 卵かけご飯。卵かけご飯 is very popular in Japan. ごちそうさまでした。Thank you for watching. What's your favorite Japanese food? Please write in the comment section. See you next video. Bye!